Good morning guys, AGD here. Just want to share with you this absolutely fantastic example of a coin that I got through. Now this is the last proceeds of my year saving pot over the past year that I had. Just spent on this gold coin here, and it's an absolutely fantastic coin. So it's the 1917 20 peso. Get this right up in focus. It's absolutely stunning. It's in excellent condition for obviously the age of the coin, and it's with the edge lettering as well. Can get some of that in, you can see some of that, there we are. Yeah, so it's not a restrike year. This was the first year of issue of this coin. About 820,000 I think was minted of these ones. But this has got to be the best coin in my collection so far. And since I've had it, I just can't stop looking at it. It is fantastic. Still some luster on there. You've got the Aztec sunstone in the centre. And with the classic reverse. There we are. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But I'm just absolutely in love with this coin. It is, one of the best coin that I own at this present time. So there we are for you guys. Just a quick one to show it off really. I hope you all like it. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more in the future. Take care and have a great day. Bye for now.